This is how much money I've got with this last week, guys, and trust me, it's an amazing method. You just have to watch the videos and you get paid a lot of money. Now, how cool is that? Hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. Wherever you live, guys, you can live in Nigeria, you can live in India, you can live in Philippines, wherever you live, you can get that money, guys. Just write me down in the comments from which country are you coming from so I can make some specific videos based on your own region. There is a lot of money to be made, guys, and all of that can come from YouTube, and all of that can come from you watching certain videos. Okay, there's a lot of money into this, and you can just watch these gaming videos, you can watch movies, you can watch whatever you want, you can search in here, and that's gonna get you a lot of money, guys. A good strategy for you. You just have to watch the videos. So if you don't have an account here on YouTube, I suggest that you make one right away so you can just set yourself up for success. Of course, you can also make yourself a PayPal account because that's how are you gonna get paid, or you can use Krill as well, but in the end you just have to have one place where you can store all that money. So once you do that, let's go to sproutgigs.com, where it's an easy thing to get signed up and start doing these jobs. Sprout Gigs is an old website. It was called Pico Workers before, but it's rebranded now, and it has a lot of more traffic, a lot of more jobs, and it has a lot of more money in it. Okay, you have these all different gigs, and you have a lot of these money making opportunities. There is a lot of money in here, guys. You just have to apply yourself. So once you come in here, you can just make yourself an account, and if you go on freelance and earn, you will find this payment proof. Just take a look at how much money people are withdrawing right now. $45, $640, $500, and these are constantly refreshing. Okay, so latest completed tasks. Just take a look at this: $400, $600 in a year, and this is being refreshed constantly. Just take a look at this person. You can be just like this person. I don't know where he is from. I don't know this one, but this means that you can get a lot of money wherever you live on the planet. Okay, so all that you have to do on this website, guys, is you have to go and just sign up in here, enter some simple information about yourself, such as your real name, email, password, and of course select the country where you are coming from. You can see a long list in here, so wherever you come from, you can make a lot of money, guys. You just have to invest a bit of your time, and of course I will ask you to hit that subscribe button as well. Thank you for that. So once you have made yourself an account in here, so guys, when you come inside, this is your dashboard. Okay, so the first job that I have seen here is not related to any videos. So for example, you can download a PDF file and you will get $4 for it. Now that's a really good opportunity. When you just enter inside of it, you will see what you have to do. So what is expected from workers? So you can just read all the rules before you start, and you will just go to this link which is being shown in here, and then you just have to click the download now button. Okay, you will just download that PDF file, and that's it. You will get $4 for yourself. And of course, guys, it is really easy, guys. It is really easy. You will link the PDF file in here. You get $4 for nothing, basically. That's just like 2 or 3 clicks with your mouse, and you have a lot of these jobs just like that. But of course, we are here to watch some videos, guys. You can just go on these micro jobs. You have also surveys if you like that, and you have also these offers. So you can just go and you can just go on category and do what you want to do. You have data entry, you have Telegram, Discord, whatever category you want to involve yourself in, you can do it. But video marketing and of course YouTube is going to give you a lot of money, guys. So if you click on video marketing, you can see that YouTube watch, this is really good. You get 40 cents for each one of those videos, and then you can just do this column, what is expected from workers. Okay, so they require you to go to YouTube and search for this one. This is some crazy language. I don't know what this is, but you don't care about this one, guys. You just copy that and search for it on YouTube. Okay, then you will just watch the video which is being served to you, and you will just have to watch it whole. Do not skip it, because otherwise you won't get that money. And it's really simple. You see, you just go go and watch the video and you get a lot of money for yourself. Now, it all depends on you guys. If you want to see those videos for a whole day, well, you will get like 50, 60 bucks, okay? Look at this one. You will watch this for 3 minutes and you will get 40 cents. It is a really good opportunity. Look at this one. You just have to subscribe to the channel. You don't have to watch videos. So you just go and you just copy this link, paste that, subscribe, and that's it. That's it, guys. You just have to subscribe to certain channel on YouTube, and that's gonna get you money, guys. It is a really, really good money-making opportunity. Everyone from wherever in the world you live, you can get a lot of money if you just apply yourself. And that's all that you have to do, guys. There is a lot of money when you watch videos online, and that's an opportunity you don't want to miss, okay? You don't want to miss opportunities, chances like this one, because chances are that you can make yourself some steady monthly income for yourself. You don't have to go and do your regular job anymore, okay? You can just do this. You can do this every day, okay? You can just lay at your couch. You can just pull out your phone even. You can just do it on the phone, and that's going to make you money, guys. But of course, if you want to get some cryptocurrency and if you want to watch videos on this website, this is Cointiply.com, and just take a look at this. If you scroll down below, you will see watch videos. You can get a lot of money on this website as well, because you can see that a lot of users already are doing that. 3 million users, they all watch videos, they do these tasks, and they also have nice surveys. Just take a look at this, guys. Earn from $1 to $5 for every online survey that you participate in. Now, I like to do surveys, but more than that, I like to watch videos on this website because that's really good. So make yourself an account. I'm going to log in real quick. And when you log in on this website, you will see that it's a crazy dashboard with a lot of colors, but don't let this confuse you, okay? You can just click on earn coins and then just go on watch videos section, okay? And then in here, you will have a few partners that they have partnered up with. So you have Loot TV, you have Playtime, you have JungleSurvey.com, and you have Hideout TV. Hideout TV made me a lot of money, guys. There's a really good strategy in here, and all that you have to do on this website is you just have to play the video, okay? This means that you don't have to watch the entire video on this website, okay? So I suggest that you just go and try to find something which is really long. So for example, this one, 14 minutes, is a video that you can just now put on a play and then you can go and do something else, okay? Because no one's gonna ask you what was in that video. You will just let this run, and of course you have to let it run for a whole 14 minutes, but you can go and do something else. You can go and walk your dog for 14 minutes, and then when you come back, you can just go and put another video to play, okay? So you don't have to watch the video if you are not interested in the topics that are being shown in here. And just take a look at this one, 29 minutes. So half an hour, you can just play this and make yourself a coffee, make yourself a breakfast, smoke a cigarette, whatever you want to do. This is a really good strategy, and Cointiply does it. But of course, as I've told you, the thing with Cointiply is that they don't have PayPal money. They just have, for example, when you click here, they have Bitcoin, and that's a really good thing for you to have nowadays. You have Bitcoin, you have Dogecoin, you have Dash, and you have Litecoin. So you can choose whichever one of these you want to take, guys. Just apply yourself, invest a bit of your time, and I will catch you later, guys.